settle down. Say, settle down.
Careful.
Oh.
There you go. That's a nice boy. That's being nice. Putter didn't need to be so rough either. Are you going to talk to us, Avery? Yeah. Yeah. Right. Yeah.
Is there more smoothie?
Did you drink it all
You
already?
drink all that smoothie?
Hey, can you look and see?
Ask Putter to open it.
I can't open it. I'm busy.